Morning student, welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a chapter by the name of Pattern Mathematics Class 6. This is a new chapter. I'll tell you in brief about this chapter. Number patterns. What do we known as number patterns? First of all, number patterns. So what do we understand by the number patterns? So a list of number that follow a certain sequence. That is list of numbers that follow a certain sequence, that is known as patterns. Okay, so example, I'll tell you like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5. These are this is one number ahead. 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is following certain sequence. This is known as patterns. Okay, तो जो ये नंबर पैटर्न्स की स्टडी होती है, स्टडी जो नंबर पैटर्न्स की स्टडी बोलती है, so the study of these number patterns of whole number, उसको हम नंबर थ्योरी बोलते हैं. नंबर थ्योरी, व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट? नंबर थ्योरी. तो जो ये होल नंबर्स की होती हैं, होल नंबर स्टडी ऑफ नंबर पैटर्न्स, दैट इज नोन एज नंबर थ्योरी. सो ये दीज आर द, अभी एग्जांपल के लिए इफ आई टेल यू ऑल वंस, तो व्हाट विल यू राइट? 1 1 1 1 1, all ones, because these are all ones, only 1 1. Natural number, if I'll tell you what are the natural numbers? Natural number, those are counting number: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are the counting numbers. Okay, these are the natural number. Even number है ना, 1 which comes in the table of 2, 1 which is divisible by 2. It is started with the smallest even number is 2 2 4 6 8 10. These are the even numbers. Okay, or either you can say which has a unit digit 2 4 6 8 10. Suppose that 100, this is even number. 98, even number, because 8 is the digit. Okay, there, even number. Odd number, okay, which is not divisible by 2, 1 3 5 7 9. ओके, जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है, दैट इज नॉन एज ऑड नंबर. जो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है, इवन नंबर. ओके, देन ट्रायंगुलर नंबर, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्रायंगुलर नंबर, तो व्हाट आर द ट्रायंगुलर नंबर? ट्रायंगुलर नंबर इज 1 3 6 10 15. 1 which makes the triangle, those number which makes the triangle. So पर आपका क्वेश्चन होगा कि ये 1 कैसे आ गया? 1 point is, it also makes the triangle, tiny triangle, it makes the tiny triangle 1 point. Okay, so we will see later on जब हम करेंगे स्क्वायर. देखो, इफ आई टेल यू द स्क्वायर, तो स्क्वायर नंबर कैसे कैसे होते हैं? स्क्वायर नंबर अगर मैं बोलूं 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 3 का स्क्वायर, आपको क्या करना है? देखो, 2 का स्क्वायर नहीं आता ना, 1 का, देखो 1 का स्क्वायर में 1 को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई, 1 1 जा 1, अगेन 2 का स्क्वायर 2 2 जा 4, 3 स्क्वायर 3 3 जा 9. ओके, इट्स लाइक दैट. 4 स्क्वायर 4 4 जा 16. So these are the square number. Square number 1 4 9 16, like this. So these are the square number. Same way the cube number comes. Same way Virenka numbers come. Power of 2, power of 3. These are the numbers comes. Okay. So same way cube numbers. 1 का cube, 1 into 1 into 1 3 times multiply, 1 1 जा 1. 2 का cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8. 3 का cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 4 का cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So these are the cube number 1, 8, 27, 64. These are the cube numbers. Okay, like you learnt square number, similar way you can choose cube numbers. Okay, these are the cube numbers. After that, if I'll tell you power of 2, power of 3 है ना, power of 2, if I'll say power of 2, only 2 की power, 2 की power 1 equal to 2, 2 की power 2, 2 to the 4, 2 raised to power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 की power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. So these are the number 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, similar way power of 3. So power of 3, 3 की power 1 equal to 3, 3 की power 2 equal to 3 into 3 equal to 9, 3 की power 3 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27, 3 की power 4 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 81. So these are the number 1, 9, 27, 81, or it will keep continue going on. So these are the power of 2, power of 3. Okay, if I'll tell you, can you identify the sequence? Can you identify the sequence? So if you identify the pattern, sequence, identify the pattern. Okay, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. You just identify the patterns. Okay, so what is the pattern here? If you see the first number and second number, what is the, how many numbers gap? 2, 3, and a 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, so 3 का gap, 7 minus 4 again 3 का gap, 10 minus 7 again 3 का gap. Okay, you are subtracting from the second number to first number. 13 minus 10, 3 का gap, 16 minus 3, 13, 3 का gap. Okay, so you will have to make the 3 का gap, or you can say 1 में कितना ऐड किया कि 4 हो जाए, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 3, next number will be 19, then 22, then 25. It will keep going. So plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so here, so what is the pattern? Pattern is the difference between two consecutive number is 3. So pattern is, you will write, pattern is difference between two consecutive number is 3. This is the pattern. Okay, you have to identify the pattern, and you have identified it. Okay, so if I'll tell you write the missing number, write the write next two terms, 15, 30, 60, 120. Write next two terms. What will you write? The next two terms. This is the question number 2. You have to find out the next two terms. Next two terms. Okay, you have to find out. So you have to fill in the box. This box you have to fill. So see, you have to find out the pattern. How can 15 be 30? 15 to the 30. Okay, how can 60? 30 to the 60. How can it be 120? 60 to the 120. Again, the second number is the twice of the previous number. So second number would be 120 into 2. So 120 into 2 equal to 240. So this will be 240. Again, the next number would be 240 into 2 equal to 480. So this number would be 480. So these are the two number. Next two number would be 240 into 480. So now these are the number patterns you have learnt, and like this we have told you, if it is now shapes. Okay, now visualizing number sequence, you have to visualize pictorials view. Okay, all ones का pictorial view. So it is like that 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma dot dot dot. So only one box, make a one box. This is the pictorial view. You can make like this only. This is also okay, this is also okay. आप बॉक्स बनाओ या पॉइंट बनाओ, दैट इज योर चॉइस. तो ऑल वंस यू कैन राइट इट. नेचुरल नंबर, इफ आई विल टेल यू natural numbers are those number which is counting number starting from 1 2 3 4 5 these are. तो वन बॉक्स बना लो, दो के लिए दो बॉक्स बना लो, फॉर थ्री बॉक्स, फॉर फोर बॉक्स, फॉर फाइव बॉक्स, 5 box. So these are natural numbers. Okay, odd number is what? 1 3 5 7 9. 1 के लिए 1 box, 3 के लिए 3 box, 5 के लिए 5 box. Similarly keep going on. Okay, so you getting my point. So even number के लिए क्या होता है? 2 4 6 8, लाइक 2 के लिए 2 बॉक्स, फॉर 2 बॉक्स, फॉर 4 बॉक्स. दीज आर द like this only. So you have to draw the sequence, you have to draw the patterns like this only. Okay, so these are the natural numbers. Shapes. Okay, pictorials view. Okay, so any pictorials view you can represent. Triangular numbers will put. What are the triangular numbers? I have a separate video on triangular number and Viranka's number. You can find out my previous videos. You can see 1 3. Okay, like 1 3 6 10 15. These are the numbers 1 3 6 10 15. So for one triangular number के लिए 1 box, 3 के लिए 3 box. Triangle like you can put point as well. Okay, 3 के लिए 1 2 3, which makes the triangle like this. Okay, for 6 के लिए 3 2 1, like 1 2 3 1 2 1. So like this. Okay, these are the triangle number. और this is, देखो